Sharing from this book. One day my soul just opened up. At one point in my life, I thought I had it all figured out. I was working in my dream career. I had a decent home. I was in a solid relationship. My children were being normal teenagers. Then one morning, I woke up miserable. Nothing in particular had happened. Well, actually, it had. Something during the night when I was asleep. I decided to tell myself the truth. Do you need to tell yourself the truth today? What is your truth? She says, I hated my job. I was lonely, living in a new city. I knew nobody. I was dating a married man, and I felt like I had been a horrible mother. If this is you, you can make the change today.